Hello, I'm James Grady, Assistant Professor of Graphic Design at BU. I teach interdisciplinary courses in both the College of Fine Arts and the Center for Data Science, mentoring designers and developers on digital innovations. My current research focuses on a tool called Random Actor, developed in collaboration with the School of Theatre and BU Spark. Random Actor is an innovative software tool that bridges computation and human performance. It allows users, including designers and artists, to create immersive media environments without needing advanced coding skills. The tool integrates computational vision, projection mapping, and MIDI control, making interactive design across various industries like theater, music, and museums. I'd like to share how I got here and highlight some of the people who have influenced and supported this research. It all began in my early days in Warwick, Rhode Island, where my fascination with technology and design first started. My first exposure to computer graphics came through Logo, a programming language where I learned how simple commands could generate visuals. The turtle acted as a cursor, and commands like forward 100 made it move on the screen. This early experience sparked my curiosity about the intersection of computation and design, which has stayed with me throughout my career. Seymour Paperit's work in programming for education influenced designers like John Maeda, who created Design by Numbers, a tool that simplified programming for artists. Seeing Maeda's work at MIT and then becoming the president at RISD, where I later attended graduate school, showed me how design and technology could merge into an art context, which was a big draw for me in choosing to go back to school at RISD. At RISD, I was introduced to Ben Fry and processing, a programming environment designed to teach the fundamentals of code through visuals. Processing expanded on Maeda's work, making it even more accessible for designers. After graduating from RISD, I had the chance to work with Ben Fry at Fathom, where I deepened my understanding of this connection between design and technology. Another key influence was Seymour Paperit's work at MIT on computer vision, a field that enables machines to interpret visual data. This research laid the foundation for modern technologies like facial recognition and augmented reality, which are closely related to the kinds of creative coding techniques I use in Random Actor today. As I explored creative coding, I became interested in computer vision techniques like thresholding, which converts video input into high contrast imagery. This allowed me to experiment with turning those images into interactive graphic elements, a concept central to the work with Random Actor. One of my early projects at RISD was Blink, an interactive installation that used computer vision. A camera tracked participants' movements, triggering project's faces to blink in response. This project marked my first deep dive into integrating performance and design through technology. In my research, interdisciplinary collaboration has been crucial to the achievement of innovative outcomes. Working alongside artists, designers, and engineers has led me to exciting projects, and I'd like to share some of the stories about the talented individuals I've been lucky to collaborate with. In 2018, I partnered with Clay Hopper, a director at BU, on an immersive projection of 1984. We envisioned using projection mapping and motion tracking to enhance the set design, and I enlisted one of my students, Ellen Lowe, to help bring this vision to life. Here's a clip from 1984 where the actors' gestures triggered choreographed projections on the stage, creating an interactive experience that engaged the audience in real time. Over the course of 3 semesters, we continued developing Random Actor with BU Spark students. While we made significant progress, we also faced technical challenges that pushed us to refine the tool further. After several attempts to simplify the code experience, we decided to pivot and bring an expert in immersive media to help us move the project forward. Thanks to a grant from the Shipley Center for Digital Learning and Innovation at BU, we brought interactive media designer Paolo Scopola from Rome as an artist in residence in the spring of 2022. Paolo helped us refine the tool and worked with Clay Hopper on a play during his residency. Paulo and I also collaborated on workshops for my graduate students, where we introduced immersive design techniques and coding basics, helping them apply these concepts in their own work. One of the most exciting outcomes of these workshops was seeing how students brought their unique visual systems into Random Actor. For example, this project explored liminality, blending typography and movement to create new forms of interactive design. Throughout the semester, Paulo and I ran more workshops and continued testing and refining the tool. We also collaborated with Yoa Cassell's movement class to integrate the experience into another production. The culminating work with Paulo and Clay Hopper's production of Exit the King. It was a large-scale project that integrated Random Actor into both set design and narrative of the play. We worked closely with actors and designers to ensure that Random Actor responded to the actor's movement in real time, helping visually convey the emotions of each scene. The projection served as a symbolic representation of the characters' inner journeys, visually expressing key themes like life and death throughout the performance. Here's another view of the projection interacting with the lead actor as they experience a pivotal moment symbolizing the departure of their soul. Our work with Random Actor is ongoing, and we are continuing to collaborate with designers, musicians, and students to explore new possibilities for the tool. Here are a few of the amazing people I've been able to work with, including Baeyoung An, who maintains and updates Random Actor's code, and Anran Xian, who collaborated on an improvisational recital blending piano with projection. Our next big project involves a collaboration with the Museum of Science Planetarium, where we've begun testing Random Actor in a live performance context on a large scale. Here are some glimpses of our initial test at the planetarium, where we were able to project our work across the dome, opening up exciting possibilities for the future performance. This venue has inspired us to think about new ways to integrate narrative, movement, sound, and design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with Random Actor. As we continue developing Random Actor, we're focusing on simplifying the hardware, expanding its application in education, and exploring open source opportunities for broader use, and just making more awesome stuff. Thanks for your time. Please scan this QR code for more details about this talk and future updates on Random Actor.